Hello YouTube fam, my name is Ella and you are welcome to my channel. This is an unboxing video for the new Oraimo Theater 2 headset. So earlier this year I got the Oraimo Studio headset and I've been using it for a while. It's very awesome, the sounds are great. It has soft cushions, and one thing about this headset is actually when you're wearing this and someone calls you, you might not even hear the person. And when I'm listening to music, you know, I like to turn the volume up because I like to soak myself in the music and enjoy every bit of it. So this was the box that it came with, the Oraimo Studio. So something like this. Okay, that's what I actually have here. That's what I have here. This is the Oraimo Studio, and it's actually it's a Bluetooth headset, so you can disconnect this cord, you know, connect it to the Bluetooth device and you're good to go. Or I normally use it behind the PC, so I do connect this cord and yeah, I'm good to go. So here we go. I ordered this online. I'm going to leave the link in the description below so that if you're interested you can just hit them up. So I've already tore the rubber it came with. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. Yeah, the new Oraimo Theater 2 headphones is 2-in-1, tune in and tune out. It's wireless, it has an AUX input, microphone, memory card support. It supports a micro SD, Bluetooth, and I heard it's a speaker too. So let's find out. So I'm gonna do an unboxing right here. Okay. So it rotates in and out. Compared to the Oraimo Studio, it doesn't rotate. It's very static. So let's put this away and let's, you know, try the new one that we have. Oh, let me see. Oh, sorry. I'm not done. It came with something else. Here. Oh, see that? I was gonna throw it away. I think it's a manual. It's a welcome guide. Okay, that's it. I think there's like a charger, yeah, C port, and then the USB, and this is I think this is the cord if you want to connect it to maybe a laptop, a desktop computer. Yeah, it has the same cord just as the studio, the Oraimo Studio. So let's see what we have here. Oh, it's foldable, very portable. I can put this in my bag. You know, touch sensitive controls here. Okay, so you can see that here. Wow, it feels super comfortable and it has a good grip over my ears, better than the Oraimo Studio. So I'm gonna play something. I'm actually sitting in front of my PC right now, so okay. That's good. I don't know if you guys can hear this. This is amazing. This is amazing. The sounds are so awesome, and it has touch buttons here, you know, volume up, volume down. If you guys want to get it, there you have it, everything. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification icon. Don't forget to like this video and then also share it. Leave comments below, and till then, see you in my next video. Bye.